Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and here I tell you about how can you make your first Alexa skill, and now tell you some easy steps so you can start and make your first Alexa skill easily. First of all, you need to make an account for AWS services and Amazon developer account. After creating both, you need to sign in your Amazon Alexa skill developer console, okay, using your Amazon developer account. Okay, after all, you just need to create a skill. Click on and after clicking on create a skill, you need to making your name like that. You make a fact skill just like so, making your fact skill, and now create a skill. So okay, okay, you can start from scratch, but for the fast and better way, I tell you directly attach any use any pre-built model. So use this model for practice skill, just like choose. Okay, like everything is perfect. Now you can make an invocation name from here, like just okay. So give the name of your invocation name like okay. So and here you can also read some recommendation about and some help about invocation name, what type of invocation name is requirement. After all, save model. Okay, now you can make your utterances for according to all intents. So you can, I can prefer you can directly use JSON editor for making there. So here you can get all the things and all the facts like that, the utterances. So please make all utterances according to your fact name or your friend. Just like my fact name is Android, so I here change the Android. Okay, so just like Android. Okay, so change according to your and what type of utterances you want. Okay, after all, okay, save model. Okay, now you need to making an endpoint. So endpoint is just like your AWS lambda function, or you can also add your HTTPS, but I obviously recommend use AWS lambda function. Okay, so its ID just look like that, and for making the license you need to make an license Amazon developer account, Amazon AWS account. Okay, so now here you create a lambda, and here you find your lambda function from there, like, and search, also search from management console of AWS. And after all, okay, now create a function. Okay, so you can start from scratch, but I tell you start from here if you want to start fastly. So use the serverless application repositories, and we want to make a fact skill, so just reveal the fact skill. And I officially prefer you all the lambda function create from this region. Okay, because this is the recommended and default region for making Alexa skill. Okay, so this is requirement, okay, recommended. So making from here, you can change it all, and also you can change name just like that. Okay, now deploy. It take few seconds for deployment. Okay, I think we create some mistakes. Okay, so need to sort out. Okay, now deploy. role is created. Okay, your lambda function is ready to go. Now test your app. Okay, now it's your lambda function. Okay, so click from here, and your AR run you can find from here. So copy the AR run of your lambda function from here and paste it there because it is recommended. Okay, so recommended, this thing is recommended, and you can just, okay, now, okay, save the endpoint. Okay, now it's saved. Okay, all things are perfectly run. Now you need to copy your skill ID from here. Okay, you get your skill ID from here, and you also get your skill ID from here. Okay, just from here. Yes, you can get skill ID from here also. Okay, after all, you need to initiate your skill ID here, and just like creating this configuration, and insert your skill ID here. Now add, now save. Okay, and you can also create a configure and test from here. Now start for the start session. Okay, so start session is here, and name. Okay, okay, now name. Okay, now it's ready to go, and test it. You need to test it. Okay, now it's run perfectly. Okay, now you see, you can, your lambda function is here. Okay, 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 it takes some time. Okay, outputs just look like that. Okay, now you need to change some facts from here. Like here you can change your facts name, and what are the things, and what type of message you want to display. So here you can also change all of things. Now after changing of all things, and here you can change your all facts. Okay, so here you can change one by one. Okay, now I does not want to change here because I do not want to, I am just want to test it. So it's just test, succeed, and you just like look like that. Okay, your fact is now. Okay, all of things are perfectly done. Now I need to build it. Okay, so now I build this Alexa skill. So build it, building start. Okay, your model is now built perfectly and the pop-up is shown here. Okay, now you are ready to go for test your skill, and you can directly place your invocation name of your skill, or you can say also launching phrases of Alexa skill. So I just use and directly an invocation name. Okay, and it's just look
Here's
like
your fact.
given
The
output
Milky
of
Way
your
galaxy
Alexa
will
skill.
collide
So
with
just
the
look like
Andromeda
it,
galaxy in about
and you
5
can stop
billion
it.
years.
Okay, okay, so automatically stopped. Or okay, so according to it you can work, and all the working you can start, and you can also change your utterances and what type of utterances you use for your Alexa skill. And I will tell you use JSON editor, and you also can add some more intents from here, just like here. And here you can custom make and custom intent from here, just like different custom built-in intents, and you also can create your custom intent from here. Okay, and according to just like I create any custom intent, just like okay, this is my just custom intent, and here you can make utterances according to it. Okay, so just I want to delete it. Okay, I'm just only create for the telling you. Okay, so and here you can just like you also can change utterances from here. Okay, and all you need to know. Okay, now after all you need to distribute it to Alexa skill store. Okay, so here some formalities is required. Okay, and I show you what type of things is required for this one in my skill, Alexa skill. Okay, this is my Alexa skill, and here you need to one sentence, your skill name, your detailed description about your skill name, and the most important is your launching phrases, just like you use you can Alexa open, and this is the opening phrases of Alexa, and this is the invocation name. Okay, so just like that in the same model, and it's also you can use an your utterances here. Okay, and you need a small icon, and just look like that, category, keywords, and that's it. Okay, these both are optional part, so no need to changes. After you need to, and you can save it all of things, and you just privacy policy compliance. Okay, so here you need what type of Alexa skill you want to do that with your Alexa skill. Okay, okay, after it you need to saving all. Now availability, is in which type of community you want to distribute your Alexa skill. So here you can choose. Okay, so I'll just use public for anyone. And after all you need to go certification, and here it's validate everything correctly. If you have not any errors in your Alexa skill, then it's give you a result about 0 errors found. And you need to also function test. Okay, function test and submission update. So if all things are ready, now you are ready to go for submission your review. Okay, now I'll tell you about what is the advantage of Alexa skill, and what Alexa skills exactly offer you, or what is the Amazon offer you for making Alexa skills. So here you can learn more about Alexa skill, everything, just like webinars, training, guides, events, everything from here. This is a website you can copy from here, and you can also see my blogs where I write about Alexa skill, and it's various kind of skill, so you can also see about it. Now look at there, and the advantage is make money, just like in designing for Alexa skill, and develop reports, and design and build documentation and loans like introduction promotional credits, certifications, and now developer perks. Now I tell you about developer perks. Just like this all after you can learn from here, and you need your submit your skill ID here, country, promo here, and everything here. Okay, now okay, after all the things you can able to. Okay, so this all the things are required when you publish your Alexa skill. Okay, so for the learning more about Alexa skill development, please uh, subscribe my channel, and here I tell you about more, and how can you get start with Alexa skill development. Take care, thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.